This video shows how to buy shares of MasterCraft Boat Holdings Inc. MasterCraft builds recreational and performance boats, and the company trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MCFT. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To purchase MCFT, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker MCFT to locate the company listing. Select the result that matches MasterCraft Boat Holdings Inc. to open its stock page. On the stock page, review the company description and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Make sure the name, ticker MCFT, and market NASDAQ match what you search for. To buy, click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After execution, your MCFT position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to visit the platform.